Welcome to Grade 7 Unit 3, the Food Unit. Our unit challenge is to reduce the carbon footprint of our food choices. Now, in today's modern society, we don't often think about our connection to our food sources. Well, the comic storyboard format of our unit roadmap image shows how this unit is going to change that. We're tracking the matter in our food from place to place to place. That's the essence of the cross-cutting concept of energy and matter. And every time we see the cycling of matter pop up in Green Ninja, we ask three simple questions. Where did the matter come from? Where does it go next? And does it change forms along the way? And that's what we're going to do with the life cycle of food. We're going to follow it from farm to table and any uneaten food into the landfill. As we make that journey, we tie the food life cycle to the carbon cycle, tracking where carbon comes from and goes to every step along the way. We start with the cycling of matter in photosynthesis. We emphasize how air and water molecules rearrange into the plant materials that we eat. We then investigate the physical science concept of chemical reactions, and those can happen when we mix together ingredients to make our food. When we eat the food, more chemical reactions happen in our body, and like we did with photosynthesis, we make models of respiration. But this time, we also address how we can get energy from those chemical reactions. We end up by analyzing our food choices. We have to consider our own nutrition, of course, but students also discover that some foods have a larger carbon footprint than others. They track their own eating habits and then create a low-carbon recipe to improve the health of their own bodies and that of the planet. By the end of the unit, students really understand their connection to the air and water on a farm and how it moves and gets rearranged inside their own bodies. And with that, they'll be able to make changes, healthy choices for them and the planet.